Hi, in this video, I will show you how to send images in character AI, and is it possible, or can we still send pictures or images here in character AI? But before anything else, in order for you to log in to character AI or use character I highly suggest that you go and open your web browser, type character AI, create an account here. You can use your email, your Google account, link to character AI and start using character AI. So actually before, all you have to do is you just have to open character AI, start or join a conversation, locate the image upload option, click the image icon, select your image, confirm the upload, send the image, view and interact, and that's it. However, they have removed this feature now. And if happens that they will add this again, you just have to follow this instruction, as easy as that. But as you can see, as of now, sending images in character AI is not available. So the platform primarily supports text-based interactions. And while it offers various features to enhance conversations, image sharing isn't currently one of them. And the reasons why you cannot send images in character AI, it's because they are more on development focus, content moderation, and as an alternative, you can have these text descriptions and use other platforms instead. This is not to mislead you, but it is just to inform you that if this feature will be available again, all you have to do is to follow the instruction that I have stated earlier. But unfortunately for now, they have removed this option. And who knows, maybe someday they will put it back again. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in our next tutorials.